So hello everyone, this is our HatchPro 200 capacity fully automatic incubator. आप देख सकते हैं, you can see this is the content of this video. First we will tell you what to do in the wiring and installation, how to do egg tray wiring, how to check egg turning, TST20 controller settings, about air duct, water container for humidity, how to stop turning, and when to remove the chicks from them. These are basic questions asked by every customer, so we are making this video to understand about the whole hatching process. So whenever the machine comes to you, whenever you take it out from the box, you will find this thing, the controller is fixed at the top, and there are trays are there which is fixed. Whenever you take it out, you will find this tray. Okay, this tray, the rollers are there. You have to place the rollers. The first roller come and there are three. I will show you. I will remove one tray outside. I will take. So these are the trays. How to assemble these rollers. It's very easy. So you can see here, once there is one slot is there and one slot is here, and there is one this small roller will come. Okay, and after that there are three slots are there. You have to place the another roller in between the slot. You have to place the another shaft like this. Again there is the one slot is coming, one slot here and one slot here, and again you have to assemble the one roller here. Again the three slot, in the middle of the three slot you have to place the rollers. Like that you have to place the roller of all these trays. Okay, like this. Okay, it's very easy. Just you have to place the roller, the one roller in this smaller one. Okay, you have then the assembly of tray is done, and after placing the trays over these angles. So you have to plug in the wires, motor wires. So this is the motor wires you plug in over there. This is the one connector which is coming from the top of the machine. So you have to plug in the motor cable like this. You have to just assemble these couplers like this. You assemble these couplers like this. The three motors are there, so three couplers are there. So you have to assemble all the three couplers. Fill this full of this container with the water. You just need to fill the container only half, in the half position only. If the height of this container is this, you have to fill the water in this only. No need to fill the water from here to here. Just only the half of this container you need to fill the water, because there should be gap between this fan, humidity fan, and the water. So the water should be filled up to here. This mark only half of this container, and you need to plug in this wire. This is the coupler wire coming from the fan to the machine. Okay, so this assembly is done. Okay. So outside of the machine, you need to attach both wires. These are the power cable. This is the adapter wire. Both wires are going to the extension board. If you have the main board, or you can just assemble a wire over there, just plug in the wires over there, or you have this extension board, you can plug in the wires over there. Okay, you can just plug in the wires over here. This is the 12 volt DC adapter wire. This is the 220 volt. Both cables are mandatory to run this machine. On this, if you remove this wire, the machine will run, but internal heating will not be done, and a turning will not be done, and the light will not also work. So with this adapter only, internal fan will work and this controller will work. But this heating one and the heaters inside light will work on this cable only. So both cables are mandatory to attach. So I will attach it firmly with the connector. Okay, so both the cable are attached. So my light is also working. So there is one switch at the right side of it. You have to switch it on, switch it off. Okay, and there is a one fuse at this. Okay, for safety purposes. Okay, so this is regarding the wiring installation. So I have tell you about the wiring installation, how to do egg turning wiring. Both first and second step I have done with it. Okay, third is the how to check the egg turning. This is the third. So whenever you start up the machine, you need to check all the parts like fan is working and turning. This is a temperature thing. Temperature is increasing inside the machine, because the set temperature is around 37.7. So the machine temperature should increase to 37.7, and then it will maintain the temperature around those values. Okay, so the temperature is increasing. Second part is the humidity. Humidity is range between 55 to 65. Okay, and this is a timer part. Timer part is turning is happening automatically every 2 hours. Some people ask that the turning should the turning happening continuously. No, it is not happening continuously. It is happening every 2 hours. So this is a minute. So it's right now it's 106 minutes. Whenever the 2 hours gone, so this will the turning will start for 2 minutes. So whenever the machine comes to you, if you want to check the turning, there is no need to wait for the 2 hours. You can just press the plus button here for one time, and the turning will start. You can see the second will start. And how to check the turning? Just open the machine, and you can see there is a motor. This is the motor one. The motor is connecting to these black color shafts are there. So you can just see these black color shafts are moving. These are rotating. So the motor is working. There is a small vibration inside the motor. If you touch it, there's a small vibration in there. And if you touch it, this black color shaft is rotating. So if the black color shaft is rotating, if you place the eggs over here, the eggs will also rotate. Okay, you can just mark a small cross sign on the eggs, and it will, you can check after 2 or 3 minutes the egg will rotate after like 60 degree in one turn. After 2 minutes it will turn around 50 to 60 degree. So this is the way to how to check the turning inside the machine, because whenever the new machine comes to you need to check the everything whether all the parts are working or not. Okay. Next part is the TST20 controller setting. So the machine comes with our brand new TST20 controller made in India. So it comes with the inbuilt canneling torch. So how to check this inbuilt canneling torch? This is the way how to check the canneling. Just if you want to switch on the canneling, just you have to click on the minus button one time. It will switch on. You have to place the egg. You have to candle in, and you have to put it outside. And if you click minus button again, the canneling will stop. Okay, this is the way how to check the canneling. So right now our question is the TST20 controller setting. So there is a customer question that whether all the settings are done inside this control. Yes, we have make sure that the controller settings are done from our factory only. If you want to check the setting, just you have to press the set button. It will show you the temperature setting. Okay. So right now the temperature setting 37. Actually I've changed it. So if you want to the temperature setting is around 37.7. The factory setting is 37.7 only. If you want to check the humidity setting, press the OK button one time. It will show the humidity setting. If you click on the OK button again, it will show you this timer setting. Okay. If you want to press OK button again, it will comes out to the settings screen. So right now this is the way how to check the setting. The setting is 37.7 temperature set value, humidity around 60%, and the timer is 120 minutes. So this is the way how to check the settings. All the settings are pre-setting from our customer, and how to change it. It's very easy. Just you have to press the set button, and you can increase, decrease it. Whether if you want to change after the 18 days, after 18 days the temperature is around 37.3. You can just change to 37.3 and press the OK button, press OK, and the settings done for the temperature one. Right now you can see the temperature setting is done. So this is the way how to change the settings, how to check the settings. Basically the temperature setting 37.7 for the first 18 days, humidity 60%, and the timer is 120 minutes. So these are the temperature setting. Next question is about the air duct. So with this machine, there are 3 air ducts are coming. This is a 200 capacity machine, 200 capacity fully automatic. In our there are number of variants are coming, like 150 capacity, 300 capacity. Depends on the machine. Mostly in our smaller machine, 3 ducts are coming at the top one and the 2 at the back side. I will show out the back side also. You can see at the back side 2 ducts are there. So so these ducts are open for like 20-30% only. Requirement is only 30-40%. Like 20-30% only, just you can open it. No need to open it very like 50% or 100%, just 20-30% is the requirement. Okay, so because these air ducts are required for maintaining the oxygen level and ventilation level, but sometimes whenever the in the humidity is going less, humidity is not maintaining properly, you have to decrease it. Okay, in the same way at the back side of is standard is this duct level should be around 20-30%, and the bottom one is should be around only 10% only. It's not requirement to maintain 20%, it's not 10% only. This 20-30% and upper one also 20-30%. Okay, so this is the how to duct level should be around 20-30% only. This is the only requirement of maintaining the ventilation. This is required for the air and every ventilation or oxygen level in the machine. So the next question is water container for humidity. So I have already told you the water container, the water level in the container should be in the half the height of the water container. Like this is the height of the container. The water level should be at this level only. It should be not at this level, because some customer making a mistake. They are just filling the container fully at the top level. It's not like that. You have to maintain the level in the medium only, okay, in the middle level only, because there is some gap between this fan and the motor. Okay, this is the main thing. And this fan, one more thing is, this fan is working continuous. No, this fan will not work continuously. It will work depends on the humidity. If the humidity is maintained, this fan will not work. If the humidity is not maintained, this fan is working only when the humidity is less than 55%. If the humidity is more than 60%, then this fan will not work. Okay, so the people have the doubt that this fan is working continuously for 24 hours. No, it is not like that. It will work depends on the humidity. Okay, so I have already told you about these things. Okay, so I'm closing the machine right now. So the next question is when to stop the turning and when to remove the chicks from machine. So when to stop the turning is whenever. So in our user manual it is mentioned that, and you can see the chart. So this is a hatching chart is the for chicken. The total 21 days is the hatching cycle. After 18 days, hatching condition will start. For the last 3 days is the hatching condition. In that, the temperature need to drop to 37.2 and humidity around varies from 65%. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to need to stop the turning, and you need to decrease the temperature of machine on 37.4. It is not requirement for all the eggs. For the chicken eggs, you can maintain around 37.5, and for the humidity around 65%. Okay, the 60% is also okay. 60 to 70% is okay value. So how to stop the turning in the last 3 days? Main is to stop the turning. Turning should be stopped mandatorily. So how to stop the turning? You need to stop the turning just by removing this coupler. Okay, we will remove this coupler. The 3 couplers are remove this coupler and remove this hatching, these pipes, and place the eggs from here to this hatching grill. So okay, when you place the eggs on the hatching grill, after that, after 19-20 days, the chicks will get starting coming out over there. So just remove this all the rollers. After then you can place the eggs from this roller to this trays. Okay, this is the way how to stop the turning. Another thing you need to do is, if you want to change the temperature of the machine, there is one more thing. If you are placing the eggs inside the machine, or like you are placing around 200 eggs inside the machine one go only, then you can decrease the temperature of the machine. You can just click the plus set button and decrease it to 37.3. OK button, OK button, OK button, and the temperature value is set 37.3. So this is the way how to change the setting of the temperature. So when you are placing the 200 eggs inside the machine in one go, after 18 days, just decrease the temperature of the machine to 37.3. Okay, whenever you are placing the eggs in batch wise, like in the first tray, you are placing 68. After 4 days, you are placing the 60 in another tray. In that condition, don't change the temperature of the machine, because temperature requirement 37.7, because of old eggs will need the temp 37.7, newer is 37.3. So better to do not change the temperature of the machine. So better to go with the current settings only. Okay, so this is the thing you have to need to do after hatching, in the hatching conditions. Okay, so next question is when to remove the chicks from the machine. So when to remove the chicks from the machine? When the chicks came out, some customer asked that when the chicks came out, when to remove it from the machine. After like 15 hours, when the chicks came out, it is in the wet state. They are wet and very loose. So if you want to remove it, you can remove it after 15 hours when it is go dry, chicks go dry, and they are getting some energy is coming into their body. They are moving here and there, and means you can just move the egg chicks from this machine to the outside to the brooding temperature. So don't keep the chicks inside the machine more than 24 hours. It is not recommended. Some people they're keeping the chicks inside the machine for 2 or 3 days. It is not recommended. Just move after 24 hours. Better to move in 24 hours. Okay, so this is our recommendation for using our 200 capacity fully automatic machine. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment box. We will solve your doubt. If you have any query, if you want us to make some video on some topic, we will make for you. Just comment in the comment box. Okay, this is the video for 200 capacity fully automatic. Mostly our machines work on this terminology only, like 100 capacity in the metallic body, 150 capacity, 300 capacity, 400, 500, like everything. Okay, sir. Thank you all of you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment box. Thank you.